My son, Ntaga, this one you people are now trying to break the fast by this time. Remember the pastor said it's till 6 before you break the fast.
Which one come to your own now? Are we breaking it already? We just keep the food here, make the thing they look us, they look at. I know they will never chop now. Very soon now the thing will reach 6. If reach that 6, we'll go pray, then chop. This one we'll keep a big boy. It's still there, they look us.
Sure. Today is even the first day of the fasting, and you have like 20 more days to go. And look at how you people are even trying to break the fast.
So you do prepare this food to be in the kitchen, so that each or okay. They will just be looking at the food. It's better we present it before also.
He said looking. That will be eating it now, so that the thing will decrease instead of increasing.
And the worst part is that since 3, the time is not even running.
Hi.
On 4 since. Look at, since over 2 hours, 4 o'clock.
See, and even the two of you, we are even telling the pastor to increase it to 40 days. Is this how the fasting will work?
I will not know say that's how the thing will be now. No, say that's how the thing will be. I saw them go take fast before it become rich.
God will bless anybody will bless. So forget this day, say we fast.
See, I don't sleep finish. You don't sleep finish. Just only today. Me when start fat. I don't dey lean. Just imagine what will happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. We will get again before 21 days. We go die, yo. I'm
not eating. What go there back? Yeah.
Remove that. No be say
You know, say they get something one. Jesus.